About a situation involving injury on the job. Back with us as always are attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, it is my pleasure to see you today.
What a beautiful day.
It is gorgeous. We're glad you made it in, and we're glad you were here to answer this question from Melanie in Music. She is saying, I work as an independent contractor and was on a job site last week. There's a tarp covering a hole that I stepped on. I broke my ankle. Is there any possible way to sue the owner of the property for covering up that hole? Does she have any recourse because of this broken ankle?
Melanie, if somebody put a tarp over a hole, that's just ridiculous. I mean, at any job site, there should not be a tarp covering a hole. If you're the independent contractor and I'm not sure what purpose you're there for, but generally speaking, whoever's responsible for that particular job site, they shouldn't be covering up holes with tarps, so you potentially could have a cause of action against them for your broken ankle. But I think it would kind of depend on what you're doing there as well.
Well, right. Well, a property owner has a duty and obligation to make sure that anybody coming onto the property doesn't encounter dangers. So if somebody obviously knew about it, they took steps to cover it instead of repairing it. So in that essence, they're negligent. I mean, just covering a hole, and again, we don't know the depth, we don't know all that information, but you just can't do that. You got to do more than that. You got to warn, you got to protect. You just can't allow people to come on your property and get injured. So the answer is you probably have an action against the owner, but again, we need more facts to really give it, nail it down. But you should reach out to a lawyer and get some advice.
Now, just to be sure, you guys made it in and out of the studio okay. So, so far, we're in the clear.
You can't fix holes with tarps. I mean, that's just.
I haven't covered up anything in your path, all right, guys? If our viewers are out there that need your legal advice involving perhaps an injury on the job, how can they reach you?
They could call us at 570-714-HURT. They could see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page, and if you have a question, put it on our page. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment. And Melanie, take a picture of the hole. That will go a long way. And take a picture of that stupid tarp that's covering it up as well.
All right, Results Matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks so much.
Thanks for having us.
Pleasure.
PAHomepage.com or the hotline, your places to submit your question for the law and you.